はい、今回はオンライン英会話56回も撮っていきたいと思います。で、今日はデイリーニュースやっていきたいと思います。
Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
Hi, my name is Sassy, and it's so nice to meet you today. How do you want me to call you?
You can call me Kazu.
Kazu. Nice to meet you again, Kazu-san. How are
Nice to
you
meet you
today?
too. I'm good. How are you today?
I'm okay. I'm great. Okay, thanks for asking. So before we are going to proceed with the class, let me check a few things first. Can you hear me and see me clearly?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. So for today, I have here the new system. Would you like to join the lesson room?
Okay.
Okay, for a moment, I have to copy this. I just want you to click this link.
Okay.
Alright.
My Windows is heavy.
Okay, no problem about that.
Okay.
It's okay. Maybe you can try next time. Alright?
Uh,
Okay, so for today, we are going to have Daily News article, right?
yes.
Okay, and what article would you like to have today?
Electric cars may sound like music.
Okay, electric cars may sound like music. Okay, do you have a car? Do you have a car?
Yes, I have a car.
Wow, how long have you had your car?
My car.
Okay, how long have you
How long?
had that car for?
3 years.
Wow, so long. Don't you have any plans in replacing your car to a brand new one?
One more.
Don't you have any plans in replacing your car to a brand new one?
New car.
That's a new car. Okay, so you have your car for 3 years. Okay, so we are going to talk about electric cars may sound like music. Okay, but I'm not really sure what is this electric cars. Because probably I know automotive, I know automatic, I know. Okay. Anyway, let's start. Okay, sorry for that one. Okay, for today, we are going to start with exercise 1, which is the vocabulary. Okay, I want you to repeat after me. Okay. Would you like to read by yourself or repeat after me?
Repeat after you.
Alright, so the first vocabulary is diesel.
Diesel.
So it's not going to be used Alright, that's it. We are done with the vocabularies. Have you got some questions, Kazu-san?
Okay.
Alright, so this time, let's proceed to exercise 2, which is the article, and let's find out what is this article all about. So I'm going to read each paragraph first, and you're going to repeat after me. Okay. Electric cars may sound like music. More and more car makers Alright, that's it. We are done with the article. Questions. What problems might electric cars cause?
Quick cars can also cause problems, since people walking or cycling in area around the electric vehicle might be hit if they can't hear from them from coming.
That's right. Okay, so it's quite dangerous also. Okay, and of course, not all people cannot pay attention on the road, especially if they are busy doing something else. Okay, number two. Why don't car makers want electric cars to sound like gasoline or diesel powered cars?
But many people in the car industry think it would be better to make new sounds, which could help increase sales.
That's right. Okay. And of course, the electric vehicle sound is its identity. Okay, so that's why they don't want to make cars to sound like gasoline or diesel powered cars, right?
Okay.
Okay, for number three. Who is Mercedes AMG working with to find the right sound for its electric cars?
Musicians.
Okay, so the head of Mercedes AMG, Tobias Mowers, said
Tobias
the
Moore.
company is currently working with the American rock band Linkin Park. Okay, so they are currently working with the rock band Linkin Park to find the exact right sound. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Next for discussion.
Okay.
So number one, what are your thoughts on car makers' plans for electric vehicle sounds?
I think that's disagree because in Japan, I see, I watch TV with program accident because
Problem accident?
because not electric cars don't sound.
Oh, okay.
Yes, I watch news in Japan.
So you mean in Japan there are some electric cars?
Yes, yes.
Oh, really? Okay. So, what are your thoughts on the car makers for these electric vehicles? Are their plans good, bad, or what?
Good, good.
Good. Okay.
Mm.
So, actually, yes, this is a really good plan for everybody, since if there is an electric vehicle, then probably we will not use some gasoline or gas to our cars, right? Okay. What do you think electric vehicles should sound like?
Sound like me.
Sound like you?
Sound like me.
Okay, like
me,
can you
me.
give me an example?
Sound like me.
Me?
Me.
You?
No.
Sound like you?
No. Meaning.
Okay. Sorry, I'm mistaken. Sound meaning?
Sound like meaning.
Okay. The meaning of sound like?
Yes.
Alright, so when we say sound like, it means something you heard that's familiar. For example, your voice sounded like my brother's voice. Something like that.
Sound like.
Yes. So, in your case, what do you think electric vehicles should sound like?
Sound like. Look like.
Look like?
Sound like is look like. No.
Not really. No. Sound like, it means has a similar sound.
Similar sound.
The same sound.
Same sound. Okay.
Mm. If you are going to choose, or if you are going to decide, what do you think electric vehicles should sound like?
まあ、music.
Okay, music?
Music.
What kind of music? Pop? Jazz?
まあ、
Again?
Owners can select music.
Okay. So the owner can select, but we should, we should have only one sound so that
Okay.
people will, so that people can identify that is an electric vehicle.
It's a vehicle. ガソリン music. ガソリン engine music.
Engine. Okay. Alright. Okay. So actually that's good. Yes. But in my case, I would like, if I'm going to decide what kind of sound should electric vehicles have, probably I want like rock sound.
A rock sound.
A rock. I mean the music is rock. The sound is rock. Like very, rock music is a very noisy music. So, of course, if I'm going to use that music or if I'm going to use that sound, so probably people can pay attention whenever I am coming, because rock music is loud. It's it's not. It's not peaceful music. So in my case only, maybe a lot of people will probably they can know that I am coming or somebody's coming. Okay.
I see.
Okay. All right. Okay. For number 3, would you like to own an electric vehicle? Why or why not?
I would not like to own an electric vehicle because electric vehicle is not cool.
Okay.
Cool design.
Really?
Yes.
So electric vehicles are not cool.
Design is plus electric vehicle.
They are not. They don't have a good design.
They have not good design.
Okay. Electric vehicles. Electric vehicles doesn't have good designs.
Yes.
Okay. Absolutely. Actually, their design is somewhat like in the past, same as in the past. Something like older cars, I think. Okay?
Okay.
Alright. But I guess it's okay to have this kind of vehicle. Alright? Okay, next question. Are there many electric vehicles where you live? Please explain your answer.
In Japan, there are not many electric vehicles.
Okay. What? How many do you think? How many?
Maybe percent, 1%, 2%.
Just one. Okay,
Or
1
all
to
cars.
2%.
Mm.
So it means majority of the people are using diesel cars.
Yes. More of electric supply point is not small.
I see. Okay.
Yes.
Number
Not,
5. Yes. Okay, for number 5, do you think electric vehicles will become more popular in the near future?
Yes. I think electric vehicle will become more popular. This is good for environment.
Environment, yes.
Environment. Yes.
That's right.
And good things is many things. Electric cars have good things.
Okay, that's right. Okay, so actually this kind of vehicle is really good for the environment. Yes, but of course, I guess it needs a lot of electricity to use.
One more.
Yeah, electric vehicles are good for the environment, but it needs a lot of electricity. So probably if there are a lot of electric vehicles, the power supply will go down.
Oh, yes.
Right?
Yes. Problem is many things, but solution is solution. Society have solution.
That's right. So if there is a problem, there should be a solution. But I guess it will not become popular because a lot of people will prefer gasoline, diesel or gasoline cars.
Yes. For example, Porsche and BMW try to make electric cars good design. Society electric cars is increasing.
That's right. Okay.
Okay.
So I guess we will stop there, Kazu-san. So before I will end the class, do you have any questions first?
No question.
Okay. So thank you so much for today, and I hope you had some understanding and you enjoyed the class. And I hope to see you again soon. And thank you for waiting again for my class. Okay. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.
Okay, thank you. はい、というわけで56回もあって、いろいろ会話もできてきてるんで、これ続けていきたいと思います。